Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Chromedriver for Selenium, so let's get right into it. Chromedriver for Selenium is a standalone server or separate executable, which is used to control Chrome for doing automation tests. It is a very useful tool from what I've heard, so make sure to try it out if you're doing any automation. When it comes to how to use it in Selenium, first and foremost, you need to install it. I'll take it that you have Selenium already installed. To install Chromedriver, go to the official site, navigate to the downloads page, and once you're there, make sure that you pick a stable build and go into these links, copy the link, and download a new version. I think the latest one I've downloaded is 1.15, maybe 1.16. But yeah, make sure it is in line with your Chrome version. You do that by going to Google Chrome, opening the drop-down menu with the 3 vertical dots, going into Help and going into About Chrome. Take note of which first 3 digits of the version are. It should be either 1.15, 1.16, 1.17, maybe 1.18. And yeah, that is the version you want to download. Once you download it, make sure you extract it at the root location of the project, which is the best possible idea. And once you have it installed, you want to configure it first. First and foremost, you need to go into environment variables in Windows Search. Once you do go there, open the system properties and system variables. You want to go down to system variables, and as you can see here, you have the path variable. You want to edit that and add a new path. Once you do, what you want to do is just add the path of the Chromedriver installation where the exe is located. And once you do, it will be completely initialized. You don't need to import it from a separate package in Eclipse if you're using Eclipse, or in Python or whatever. Then what you just want to do is make a new driver by clicking on, or rather inputting driver equals new Chromedriver, and you declare it as a class. Whoops, copied it by accident. But yeah, then you'll be able to completely use it just like this. There's no need to import it, and yeah, it is very easy to use. Or rather, yeah, I made a mistake. Yeah, this is how you import it. If you're using, I think the upper one is for Python only. This is for Java. These are the command lines you use to import Selenium and Chromedriver. So yeah, make sure that you follow this tutorial, and everything should be fine. And I hope to see you guys again. Goodbye.